In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to allow 18 plus content on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC browser. This is the setting people usually mean when they ask how to unlock sensitive content, how to see mature posts, or how to turn off content filtering on X. If you've ever wondered why certain posts are blurred or hidden, this guide will walk you through the correct settings step by step. And just a quick note before we begin, this setting cannot be changed from the mobile app, so you'll need to use a web browser on a computer. Also, your account must show that you are 18 years of age or older. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to x.com, then log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand sidebar and click More, which is the three dots menu. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account and content controls, so we're heading into the main settings area now. Next, in the settings panel, click Privacy and Safety. After that, look for the section called Content you see. This is the menu that controls what type of posts and media X shows you in your timeline and search results. If you want to allow 18 plus content, this is the key area you need to change. Now find the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Once you see it, check the box or turn on the toggle next to it. This is the setting that allows X to show sensitive media instead of blurring or hiding it. After you enable it, you should be able to see adult content, graphic content, and other sensitive posts more freely on your timeline and on user profiles. If you also want sensitive posts to show up when you search, there's one more important step. While you're still in the Content You See section, scroll down and click Search Settings. Here, you'll see an option that says Hide Sensitive Content. Turn that off by unchecking the box or disabling the switch. This helps make sure mature posts are not filtered out when you use the search bar. And that's really all there is to it. Once both of those settings are enabled, X will be much more open about showing sensitive and 18 plus content on your account. If you still don't see the option, double check that you are using the web browser version and not the mobile app, because the app does not always offer the same controls. You should also make sure your birth date is correctly set to show that you are an adult, since that can affect whether these settings are available. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and lets me make more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.